Ecological pyramids. Food chain is the where in which direction energy is flowing from producers to consumer. Food chain explains energy flow in the ecosystem. Food web explains interconnections, interlocking of food chains. Ecological pyramid. Ecological pyramid is the graphical representation of structure and function of various trophical levels. Function of trophic levels of an ecosystem are called as ecological pyramid. Graphical representation of structure and function of trophic levels. First trophic level, second trophic level, like that. The concept of ecological pyramid was first developed by British ecologist Charles Elton in 1927. In ecological pyramids, trophic levels are shown in the producers. The producers represent first trophic level in the ecosystem, in the ecological pyramid. In the ecological pyramid, like this. These are the producers. Producers are in first trophic level. Like first trophic level are producers. Producers. First trophic level represent producers are represented in first trophic level. This is as you shown in here. The herbivores are primary consumers are in second trophic level. The herbivores are secondary consumers. Herbivores are primary consumers are in second trophic level. So these are the trophic levels: first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, fourth trophic. In the first trophic level lies herbivore producers. Second trophic level represent as a for the primary consumers. Third trophic level represents secondary consumers. Fourth trophic level represents tertiary consumers. First trophic level having autotrophs, that are producers. Second trophic level having herbivores are primary consumers. Third trophic level represent primary consumers. They are primary carnivores. They are secondary consumers. Fourth trophic level, tertiary consumers are secondary carnivores. So autotrophs they are preparing their own food. Herbivores are primary consumers. They are depends on the herbivores are vegetarians. They are depends on the producers. They depends on the producers. Carnivores are non-vegetarians mostly. The primary carnivores depends on the herbivores. They are in secondary. They are known as secondary consumers. They are in third trophic level. Secondary carnivores are represented as a fourth trophic level. They are also known as tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers. So like this, producers are in first trophic level of the ecological pyramid. Herbivores are primary consumers are in second trophic level. The carnivores are secondary consumers are in third trophic level. The omnivores are tertiary consumers are in fourth trophic level. On the basis of number of organisms, the biomass and energy flow in the ecosystem. Energy flow in population of ecosystem. Ecological pyramids are classified as pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. So on the basis of number of organisms present on that particular ecosystem, the biomass of that particular ecosystem and energy flow of that particular ecosystem. Pyramids are broadly classified into, ecological pyramids are broadly classified into pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. Pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of bioenergy. First we will discuss about pyramid of number. Pyramid of number shows the number of individual organisms present in each trophic level. Number of individual organisms. Number of individual organisms present in each trophic level is known as pyramid of number. Number counts here. Each trophic level. How many number of producers are there? How many number of consumers are there? Like that. Herbivores are there. Primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. So pyramid of number expressed as number per unit area. Depending upon the type of ecosystem, here three types of pyramids, three types of pyramid of number is there. Depends on the healthy condition of the pyramid ecosystem, then everything condition of the ecosystem. Pyramid of numbers are three types: uprighted pyramid, upright pyramid, pyramid of number; partially uprighted pyramid of number, inverted pyramid of number. See here, this is the uprighted pyramid. So here population is more, number is more, next decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. This is the uprighted pyramid. Then partially uprighted pyramid is the like this, little. Inverted pyramids completely invert, completely change. I mean, that is not a healthy ecosystem. We will discuss in detail what is the uprighted pyramid of number, what is the partly upright pyramid of number, inverted pyramid of number. Suppose upright pyramid of number. The number of individual organisms gradually decreases from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. Is called upright pyramid. See here, you can observe clearly. This is here. This is the first trophic level. First trophic level having producers. The producers number is more. Next, primary consumers number is decreasing. Next, secondary consumers are further decreasing. Third, tertiary consumers are further decreasing. Like that, quaternary consumers. So this is the uprighted pyramid. Uprighted pyramid. The number of individual organisms gradually decreases from lower trophic level. That is first trophic level to fourth trophic level, or first trophic level to higher trophic level, is called upright pyramid of number. A grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem is shown as an upright pyramid of number. Because in this, suppose in the grassland ecosystem, a number of grass, number will be more. Grassland, grass. Individual grass count here as a number. The producers in the grasslands are grass, which are small in size, large in number. So producers occupy lower trophic level, that is the first trophic level in any ecosystem. Their number is more. Producers number is more. The primary consumers, herbivores, rats, deer. squirrel, grasshoppers, their number is little bit less. Number will be decreased. So herbivores or primary consumers occupy in the second trophic level. Their number will be decreased. Their number will be low when compared to the producers. The secondary consumers are carnivores, snakes, remaining things which occupy third trophic level. Here, their population is further decreases as compared to second trophic level. The tertiary consumers, omnivores, secondary carnivores, are eagles, like that, which occupy the fourth trophic level. But the number and size of the last trophic level is low. As shown in figure. Suppose any ecosystem if you are taking, so first trophic level having the number, first trophic level, that is the producers having more number. Next, second trophic level is decreasing, third trophic level further decreasing, like that. This is the uprighted pyramid. Uprighted pyramid. Hence, in the uprighted pyramid, the number of individual organisms in the permit area in the ecosystem decreases from lower trophic level to higher trophic level, from producers to consumers, like this. Next, partially upright pyramid of number. Here, partially upright pyramid of number in the sense, a forest ecosystem. So here, in the forest ecosystem, producers biomass is more, number will be less because large plants are there. If we are counting plants, their number may be less, but biomass is more. Here you have to remember, here we are explaining number of producers or number of individuals in that particular trophic level. In the grassland ecosystem, number of grass, grass number, individual grass number will be more because they are in small size. But in forest ecosystem, plants are in large in size, but the number is less, but biomass is more. You have to remember here. In forest ecosystem, big trees are the producers which are less in number. So these producers occupy the lower trophic level, which is narrow base. The primary consumers, herbivores are birds, insects, small cattle, everything which occupy the secondary trophic level. But the number of birds, number of insects, their number is more. Hence, when compared to first trophic level number, second trophic level number is more. The secondary consumers, carnivores, fox, wolf, snakes, lizards, which occupy the third trophic level, the number of fox, snakes are lower when compared to birds, insects, secondary consumers. The tertiary consumers are lion, tiger, which occupy the fourth trophic level, but their number is very less when compared to third trophic level. Hence, it is very narrow lower. So that the pyramid is narrow on both sides and broader in the middle. Hence, it is called as a partially upright pyramid. Actually, partially upright pyramid. In the partially upright pyramid, producers number is less, that is first trophic level. Second trophic level, herbivores number is more. Further, third and fourth trophic level, number will be further less. That is known as partially upright pyramid. Inverted pyramid of number. The number of individual organisms gradually increases from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. Is known as inverted pyramid of number. Example, best example is the parasitic food chain. Parasitic food chain. Suppose our individual digestive system or anywhere parasites number microbes number is more, but they are depending on one producer. One producer. That's why that is completely inverted pyramid. Producer is one, producer's number is less, then next consumer number is more. Hence, pyramid will be like this, inverted pyramid. Best example for inverted pyramid is parasitic food chain. Next, we will go to the pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of biomass represents total amount of biomass. Mass or weight of biological material or organism present in each trophic level. Pyramid of number explains number of individual organisms present in that particular ecosystem. Pyramid of biomass pyramid of biomass represents the total amount of biomass, mass or weight of biological material or organism in each trophic level. It is expressed in gram per area, but in pyramid of number is expressed in number per unit area. Depending upon the type of ecosystem, we have two types of pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of number are three types. Uprighted pyramid of number, partially uprighted pyramid of number, inverted pyramid of number. But pyramid of biomass is only two types, uprighted pyramid of biomass, inverted pyramid of biomass. Uprighted pyramid of biomass, inverted pyramid of biomass. So upright pyramid of biomass, the pyramid of biomass gradually decreases, biomass here, gradually decreases from the producers or first trophic level to consumer level. Is called uprighted pyramid of biomass. See here, suppose producers in grassland ecosystem or forest ecosystem, biomass of the producers, suppose if we are counting as 1,000 kgs, herbivores biomass is 100 kgs, primary carnivores biomass is 10 kgs, top carnivores or tertiary carnivores, consumers, biomass is 1 kg only in the percentage basis. That is known as pyramid of biomass. This indicates uprighted pyramid of biomass. Upright pyramid of biomass. A forest ecosystem shown an uprighted healthy forest ecosystem. A healthy forest ecosystem. Healthy forest ecosystem shown an upright pyramid of biomass. Suppose if forest is degraded, plant population will be decreased. At that time, that is the partially uprighted pyramid. But more or less, whenever we are explaining for uprighted pyramid of biomass, good example is forest ecosystem. In this ecosystem, the biomass decreases from producers to consumer level, from bottom to top, first trophic level to fourth trophic level. Here, inverted pyramid of biomass. Here, the pyramid of biomass gradually increases from producer level to consumer level, are called as inverted pyramid of biomass. Example, the pond ecosystem. Pond ecosystem shows an inverted pyramid of biomass because in the pond ecosystem, producers are very less. I mean, producers means in the pond ecosystem, lichens, small green plants, they are very less in the biomass. In the biomass, whenever we are counting, biomass increases from first trophic level to second trophic level. Second trophic level occupies in the pond ecosystem small fishes, small insects, like that. Third trophic level is the large fishes. Biomass is increasing. Large fishes, their biomass is increasing. So inverted pyramid of biomass, best example is the pond ecosystem. Biomass. Okay. Next, pyramid of energy. In the pyramid of energy represents the amount of energy flow in each trophic level. Amount of energy flow in each trophic level. Is known as pyramid of energy. Amount of energy flow in each trophic level is known as pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy expressed in calories per unit area. Calories per unit area. Pyramid of number expressed number per unit area. Pyramid of biomass expressed kg per unit area. Pyramid of energy expressed calorie per unit area. In an ecosystem, the energy flow from producer level to consumer level at each successive trophic level, there is a huge loss of energy in the form of heat, respiration, etc. This at each next higher level, only 10% of the energy passes. Hence, there is a sharp decrease in energy at each and every producers too omnivore, top carnivores. Therefore, the pyramid of energy always upright. The pyramid of energy like this. Here, in the first trophic level, 20,000 kilocalorie per meter square per year. If it enters into the second trophic level, 2000 kilocalorie per meter square per year. If it enters into further 200 kilocalorie per meter square, if it further next trophic level 20 kilocalorie per meter square per year, then it's going decreasing. There is a lot of energy is wasted as a heat and respiration. Whenever energy flow from one trophic level, lower trophic level to higher trophic level. Hence, pyramid of energy always uprighted. Energy flow is uprighted. This is regarding ecological pyramid. Types of ecological pyramid. Pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of number. Pyramid of number. And their importance.